This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by John Joyner. Super clean move-in ready luxury condo, located in a gated community in Fountain City. Enjoy your days and leave the lawn and exterior maintenance to the association. Main level primary suite with spacious closet, luxurious bathroom and vaulted ceilings means you don't have to go upstairs unless you want to. Spacious living room with gas fireplace and wood floors, tall ceilings and crown molding. Upgraded appliances, rich wood cabinets, solid surface countertops with breakfast bar and breakfast area accent this fabulous kitchen. Separate pantry and laundry area off kitchen makes the most of the space. Additional bedroom on main level with vaulted ceiling and an amazing full custom guest bathroom with gorgeous penny tile flooring and a walk-in shower. Upper level has a third large bedroom with ensuite bath and massive closet. Bonus room is enormous, with skylights and amazing custom bookshelves. You must see this one. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact John Joyner at 865-687-1111.